Hey guys, welcome to Learning is Fun with Jigger. And today, we will learn the alphabet. So, are you ready? Now this is the letter A. Say A. One more time. A. Very good. Now this is the letter B. Say B. One more time. B. Great. Now this is the letter C. Say C. One more time. C. Awesome. Now this is the letter D. Say D. One more time. D. Alright. Now this is the letter E. Say E. One more time. E. Alright. Now this is the letter F. Say F. One more time. F. Alright. Now this is the letter G. Say G. One more time. G. Alright. Now this is the letter H. Say H. One more time. H. Great. Now this is the letter I. Say I. One more time. I. Alright. Now this is the letter J. Say J. One more time. J. Great. Now this is the letter K. Say K. One more time. K. Alright. Now this is the letter L. Say L. One more time. L. Alright. Now this is the letter M. Say M. One more time. M. Great. Now this is the letter N. Say N. One more time. N. Great. Now this is the letter O. Say O. One more time. O. Great. Now this is the letter P. Say P. One more time. P. Great. Now this is the letter Q. Say Q. One more time. Q. Alright. Now this is the letter R. Say R. One more time. R. Great. Now this is the letter S. Say S. One more time. S. Great. Now this is the letter T. Say T. One more time. T. Great. Now this is the letter U. Say U. One more time. U. Great. Now this is the letter V. Say V. One more time. V. Great. Now this is the letter W. say W. One more time. W. Great. Now this is the letter X. Say X. One more time. X. Great. Now this is the letter Y. Say Y. One more time. Y. Great. Now this is the letter Z. Say Z. One more time. Z. Alright guys, now that you learned the alphabets, I'll give you 1, 2, 3 stars. Yay! Well guys, I hope you had fun learning the alphabets today. Don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you will be alerted if a new video is out. Alright, so that will be for now, and continue learning with Jigger. Bye!
Learning is fun with Jigger.